Here in the Cherokee Nation, there's a special distinction awarded to citizens with exceptional cultural knowledge. It's the Cherokee National Treasure Award.
Our elders and the people at the Heritage Center, they were worried that we were losing our traditional arts. So then began the Lost Arts Project. And from that, a year later, began the Cherokee National Living Treasure distinction to award master artisans, especially traditional artists, and to acknowledge them for what they've done to perpetuate our traditional arts.
If we can only keep these arts alive, if we can teach one basket maker that will teach one more basket maker and perpetuate that art, that tradition, we'll keep widening that circle of arts.
To be named a treasure is a real honor because the Cherokee National Living Treasures are the keepers of the Cherokee traditions, culture, and history. The biggest part of it is we're sharing what we know. I mean, it's very important to me that we don't lose the traditional ways.
I'm very proud of that, to have been named a Cherokee National Treasure. It's a great honor. I always tell people, I said that was the pinnacle of my career, I think.
I was awarded the National Treasure in 1991 by Chief Wilma Mankiller and the council for making bows and arrows. You know, it gives younger Cherokee bowyers an incentive to try to improve and get good so they can be a national treasure.
More than 30 years after the National Treasures program began, with nearly 100 recipients of the distinction, a book called Cherokee National Treasures, in their own words, tells each of their stories.
We are actually coming together as one voice, a tapestry, we say, of voices. And they're our own. They're our voices, told in our vernacular, in the way we speak. You might be hearing about gigging, something that we don't hear a lot about anymore, about quilting bees, about just our past history that, you know, we can never recapture again. And for me, that's what it's all about. One thing that's been very fun, very enjoyable for all of us are the book signings. We have been getting together at Cherokee Holiday at different events and holding book signings. So our treasures can come and meet the public, and the public can meet our treasures. And it's just really fun, a lot of fellowship and good times.
The treasures themselves have loved the attention.
Treasures live on forever through their art, through their work, through their teaching. So the book is timeless.
I would really like for people to take from this book the ability to embrace their own history, their own roots, their own origins, and for non-Native people, I would like for them to gain a respect for that history.